style restaurant. What did you order?
A bottle of red wine.
And you're allowed to fall asleep as long as you don't snore. Like to see me do a let's play of my Animal Crossing. Ah! No. One of my friends, Holly, was DJing.
She was really good. She played Twin Peaks.
Oh yeah, the Twin Peaks theme song was so good. Delicious. I like it. I'm walking to the gym, which is pretty close to my work and not far from where I live. Rainy and windy today. I love rainy weather. It's not as hot, which is nice, because it was a couple days recently more than 30 degrees. So it's a nice change to have some cool weather. And yeah, at the gym we still have to wear our masks and we have to do a bunch of health checks before we can use the facilities. But otherwise, not many people there, so it's been pretty good going to the gym lately. Tonight I'm going to go with some friends to an ambient music event, which my friend is DJing at, and I'm really excited because I think it's going to be really different and unique, so we'll see what that's like. And tomorrow I'm going to be going to a Cantonese restaurant and I'm going to show you some of this food. It's going to be like a dimsum style, so hopefully you guys will be excited to see that too. And I hope you can hear me with my mask on. So Shauna just found out that she's still got 3 minutes to order happy hour, and I don't think I've ever seen anyone so happy. Shauna, how do you feel?
Ecstatic.
What are you going to order?
I've already ordered.
What did you order?
A bottle of red wine.
So does that mean you get one free bottle? No. Wait, how does happy hour work?
I got confused. I ordered a glass.
Okay, me and Joyce are at an ambient music night at a bar. So it's really relaxing. There's like yoga mats and people on the ground. This is so cool. What do you think, Joyce?
I think it's really nice. I mean, like, get this girl doing yoga.
And our friend Holly is DJing right now. It's so comfortable.
It really is. And look at this giant orb.
Wait, where's the orb? Oh.
Yeah, I can do it. But it's spicy. Is that why there's so many people a day? I know you don't need to have
We've just been offered if we want to eat some roast chicken. Should we?
In Holly's show, she's got one you can eat.
A chicken? Wait, why does she have roast chicken?
It's all here. Oh, because this is ambient night, and ambient night we're chicken.
Should we eat the chicken?
Chicken.
Should we eat the chicken?
Ambient chicken.
Ambient chicken. I'm gonna put that in my vlog. That's definitely going in my vlog.
Ambient chicken. The chicken and egg, which one comes first? Which one comes first? The egg?
Or the ambience.
Or the chicken?
This is really nice.
I was pretty impressed with how strong the phone's editing ability was, yeah.
Also, the definition's really good. It's like high quality.
Yeah, the camera's, like if you can see on the back, the camera's very, 3 cameras.
Mad scientist.
wearing our masks.
But if there's nobody
I
around,
just took it
so
off
doesn't
to
really matter.
speak. We are in one of the busiest parts of town, Shanghai. I don't know if you can see these big towers. It's really quiet at the moment. If you can have a look. I'm probably moving too quick. Joyce and I are walking to a Mexican restaurant we really not like, because I'm hungry. And the ambient night was so good. What did you think?
It was so good. It was one of my favorite experiences of the elevator.
It was really relaxing.
Yeah.
The mats
Yeah.
on the floor was so comfortable and the music was so peaceful. I almost fell asleep. And I hope they do an ambient night again because I want to go back.
Yeah.
I'm at a really good Cantonese style restaurant. So it's Southern Chinese style food, and it's also called dimsum. You get a lot of different like small dishes of snacks and things. So I'm going to show you guys what the food looks like and hopefully give you a little bit of an idea of what South Chinese food is like. And I think it's really delicious. This place looks like the food will be tasty, so I'm going to show you what that's like. Cha. So this is the first thing that arrived. It looks delicious. It's got shrimp on the inside, and I guess it's a kind of rice, like rice cake wrapping on the outside, with some sesame seeds. It looks delicious. So this tea has pu'er, which is a type of tea leaf, as well as a type of flower, which I think is daisies inside. Have a look on the... Can you see the flower? Oh. So this is a kind of jellyfish, which is really popular in Cantonese dishes. It's got a kind of cold and crunchy texture, and the sauce gives it a really nice kind of light and fresh and fragrant taste. So yeah, I'm gonna try some. So 3 more dishes just arrived. On the left we have, I think it's shumao. It's a type of shrimp dumpling with crab. And on the right we have pork buns, which are really famous barbecue pork buns. And at the back is another type of shrimp dumpling. So I can't wait to try it. So I'm gonna take this pork bun baby over here and give you a look. Inside you can see the barbecue pork meat. It's a little bit salty and sweet, and it's really delicious. So I will... Tastes good. So this is a little shrimp dumpling, and it's made in the shape of a shell. I don't know if you can see, like a clam. And outside is a white rice kind of wrapping, and inside is a shrimp. So I'll give you a look. How's it? Come. I'm at home and I'm playing Animal Crossing on my Switch. Oh. And I thought maybe you guys would like to see me do if you guys would like to see me do a let's play of my Animal Crossing, then let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can figure out how to make a let's play. But I've been playing Animal Crossing a lot lately and it's so fun and cute. So if you want me to... Whoa. Ah! No. So if you want me to make a video of me playing Animal Crossing, let me know and I will see what I can do. Anyway, thanks for watching today's video. I'm gonna go to the gym now. And hey guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried to show some really interesting things, and if there's anything in particular you want to see in my videos, let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do to include that and show you guys more of my life in Shanghai. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!